In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unpin videos from your TikTok profile. So they recently just rolled out the feature where you can pin videos. You can see I have 2 pinned videos at the top of my profile, and you can pin multiple videos. Now, if you don't want to have any videos pinned on your profile anymore, it is very simple to unpin them. Just tap on the video. Then you want to tap on those 3 horizontal dots at the bottom of the comment button. And then you'll see a button that says unpin instead of pin because that one is pinned. So I'll tap on unpin and it says unpin from profile. I can go back and it is now unpinned. If I want to take the next one off, I go tap on those 3 dots again, tap on unpin, and that one's also now unpinned. And now if I want to pin another video to the top, for example this one, then you'll see it now says pin over there. So this is a very cool feature, letting you pin videos from the bottom of your profile all the way to the top, and then you can just unpin them when you want to unpin them. So that is the process of how you unpin videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.